I have been using this for a while. Just pop 1 or 2 capsules. You will start to feel more energy in about 20 minutes. What is good is it lasts a long time. In addition, the pill is really cool looking. I like to toy with people and let them wonder what the heck it is. If you tip it, little blue color dots float around in a thick clear liquid. But seriously, it will help with getting you up and going to work out or whatever you need a little pep for. I lost 30 pounds when I used this for the first 3 months and have now hit a plateau, but I can tell a major difference in my energy level without. Also, I bought my first 3 months from an unnamed health store and spent $25 more per bottle. This is not for those who have desk jobs. I say that lightheartedly, but it was, at first, very tough to want to continue. My gym regimes took place after work but still needed to take the doses as the instructions required. Eventually, after about a week, my body got used to the amount of energy that was provided due to the pills. Once I adjusted, I felt great. I have taken other products like it and will always recommend this as a great option. I am a Class A driver and I go from day to night driving, and these help a lot for my night driving. Way better than 5-hour energy shots, coffee, etc. Long lasting for me too. Click link in description for more reviews. Please subscribe.